starting out as an automation technician.
Automation technicians begin their careers focusing on installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting automated systems. Strong technical skills in electronics, mechanical systems, and control software are essential. Daily tasks might include repairing sensors, programming PLCs, and ensuring machines operate efficiently. Gaining hands-on experience and industry certifications sets a solid foundation for future growth in this rapidly evolving field.
Developing technical expertise and specializations.
Advancing from technician to higher roles requires deepening your expertise. Many technicians specialize in robotics, industrial networks, or systems integration. Earning certifications like those from ISA or Siemens and learning programming languages such as Python or ladder logic are common steps. Taking on complex projects and collaborating with engineers helps build both technical and problem-solving skills.
Transitioning to automation engineer.
With experience, technicians often move into engineering roles. Automation engineers design and optimize systems, manage installations, and solve higher-level technical challenges. This transition may involve earning a bachelor's degree in engineering or a related field. Strong communication, project documentation, and teamwork abilities become increasingly important as you coordinate with cross-functional teams.
Building leadership and project management skills.
To progress toward management, developing leadership skills is crucial. Taking on roles such as lead technician or supervising smaller teams provides valuable management practice. Learning about project planning, budgeting, and stakeholder communication, sometimes through formal project management training, prepares you for greater responsibility and leadership in robotics projects.
Reaching robotics project manager.
A robotics project manager oversees complex robotic system implementations from start to finish. This role requires technical proficiency, strong organizational skills, and the ability to manage budgets, timelines, and diverse teams. Building a track record of successful projects, earning certifications like PMP, and maintaining a commitment to continuous learning are key to succeeding at this advanced career stage.